Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Brave extensions. Well, today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Brave extension and where to find it and how to add extension. But I'm going to cover it in today's video. So to do this, to find your extension, just click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. After clicking on the three horizontal lines at the top right, click on extensions. After clicking on extensions, you will be located at your extensions. Once you're here, you may allow to see all the extensions right here, and you may allow to on any one of them. Which one do you want? For example, you want the Avira browser safety on extension. Click that, and this will appear as you can see. And right here, click on this, and it will also appear as you can see there. And you can click on that, and it will also add to the inspection. So to off it, close it, and to remove it, just click on remove. And to add more extension to your Brave, just click on Web Store. There you go. Wait for its loading. And once you're here, you're now allowed to add any of this extension to your Brave. So let's say we're gonna add the Helix Fruit Jump Arcade game. So let's add it. Add extension. After clicking on that, just wait for it. And there you go. It is now downloading to my extension here. So there, you see, I can now play it. So we will add it to extension. Go here and click extension. And then when it's on, this is supposed to be right here. Then this icon will be up there. But if it's off, there's no extension there. But when it's on, there's an extension. So let's try playing the game. Game ball. Try playing our new extension. Oh, looks cool. Oh, okay. So, okay. Oh, we got 13. Last one. Oops. Oops. Oh, you just gonna pass to level 2. There we go. We got past to level 1. Tap to continue. There you go, guys. That's how you add extensions. And that's how you on your extension. And that's how you see your extension. And that's how you also remove your extension. So there you go, guys. And a quick tip for you guys. Just a quick tip. For example, me, I like this extension, Helix Fruit Jump Arcade Games. I'll just click on the pin. So whenever it's right there, it's pin, it will be seen right here. You see there? Click on manage extension. When you off it, it also disappears. But whenever it's on, it will be away from the other extension. For example, this one's on, this one is on, this one is on. As you can see, when I click this, you'll see a lot of extension. But when I pin something, it will be out here on the extension icon, and it will be right here on its left side, and you will see it easily and you can access it easily. There you go, guys. That's my tip for you guys. And guys, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please type in the comment section what is your favorite extension in browsers, any in Brave or maybe in Chrome or maybe Edge. What is your favorite browser extension? So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.